Looking good.
Okay. There you go.
Good, good. Go ahead and clip them off. Make them look good. I got this. Don't worry. I won't drop it on your head. Nice.
Not good.
That's good. Yeah, moving around like that keeps that component from getting too heat, sucking in too much heat. All right, come back on the other side. Oh, there you go. All right, we're taking, hold your thought for a minute, and then just touch the component and see how hot it is. Reach on the bottom over here. Let's see how hot it is.
That's hot.
It's getting hot, isn't it? So we'll let that rest a minute.
Okay.
And then you know what I mean. See what how we move around like that. Yeah. All right, you can. Well, you can solder a little bit more. I think it's okay. So just let it kind of just dissipate some heat. Looking really good. All right, check and see how hot it's getting.
It's hot.
Okay, so we'll stop and we'll do some other components. Let that cool off a minute. That looks really good. Put a little more solder on there.
Huh?
Just a little more. I'll look at it. It looks pretty
For
good.
this one?
Yeah, we'll let it cool off a minute though.
How do you get more soda on it?
Let me see. That's not bad. That looks alright. Maybe this.
Huh?
It just looks funny in my video.
Oh.
That's perfect right there. That one you did look that looked real good. Oh no, focus camera.
What?
My camera's this doesn't want to focus sometimes.
That one kind of messed up.
That's all right.
Okay.
Let's see. Not too bad. Not too bad. Looking good. And we'll try to get them straight too. You know. It looks really good.
I'm buying some.
Try to keep the light bulb straight or the LED straight.
It's scaring me. Do you have any like